Hey, welcome to Vegan Raw Fitness, where we help you become vegan, raw, and fit. This site is for individuals who are interested in tapping into the vegan lifestyle and also to the vegan raw lifestyle. We help people transition. The ultimate diet is to definitely be vegan raw, but I believe in the 80-20 rule as far as vegan rawness is concerned, and we'll talk about that at another time. But also to be fit while you're doing that too, because what I realized is that over the years, a lot of vegan folks and educators and experts and things of that nature. Hi, I'm Dr. Ilan Bomani. Forgot to mention that part. I am a naturopathic doctor, and I've been a vegan for 44 years. So I've got this whole vegan thing down to the science. I went from vegetarian from pesco polo to octo-ova to vegan raw. I mean, I've been through with the clean, the keto. You can do keto vegan also. We'll talk about that another time also. But the moral of the story is we're here to help educate you about various things about staying fit, because you got to work them in tandem. You're not healthy if you're not fit, and you're not fit if you're not healthy, and that's eating the right type of dietary regime. There's not one or the other. And I've seen one of the things that's lacking in the vegan community is the fact that they think it's all about diet, and it's not. It's all about the mind, the body, and the spirit, okay? You gotta work them all holistically together, synergistically together, blended, to live the ultimate lifestyle and experience. And I've been able to successfully be able to do that. My kids are raised this way. This is our way of life. Another word for religion. Religion means a way of life. So as you can see, it all comes together. So anyway, today, we're gonna talk about this wonderful fruit today, and a lot of people don't know anything about it, which surprises me, but also shouldn't surprise me too much, because out of 44 years, this is the first time I'm actually tasting this. I don't know, just over the years, just looked at it, loved it from a distance, and never got around to even tasting it. I thought, for you guys, I'm gonna tap into this. Okay, can you guess what it is? All right, I'm gonna not make you guess too much longer. It's Rambutan. Rambutan is it's Rambutan. Rambutan. I would call it Rambutan. And in a nutshell, it's from China. Yeah, Southeast Asia, China. And it is a wonderful fruit. But I want you to look at that. Look at that. See those pricklies? If you really look at it, and if you look at the cell, it reminds me of the cells of the body. And look at that red color. You know what it really reminds me of? Red blood cell. And guess what? Not ironic, but it really helps individuals with what? Building iron and building the red blood cells in the body. Yay! So if you are anemic, this is one of the fruits you want to incorporate in your diet. How can you find it? You can find it at the Asian supermarket. That's where I found mine at. So go to the Korean, the Chinese, the Japanese, the Vietnamese, Malaysian, East Indian, all the Asian type of supermarkets, and they may have this particular type of fruit available for you. So here, I'm in Georgia, so I went to our local one, and I'm gonna cut it open here. But it looks like lakey. Oh, look at that. Look at, I got the seed too, kind of in there, cutting it. And look at that. Look at that. Can you see it? It looks like the cells of the body. Yeah, I mean, if you look at cells and look at the cell structures, I'm getting excited. I know this is a little bit science, but it just shows you how God provides with everything. You just pay attention. It will show you exactly what you need, okay? Now, I will admit, sad to say, Asian fruits are not really organic, but I'm gonna try to take it out of its shell. I'm gonna peel it a little bit. But this is how it looks, nice and white on the inside. Look at that, look at that. And so if I join it together, it would be like a bulb like that. I'm gonna try to cut. Take the other one, just kind of peel away at it, real easy. Come across, you can peel away at it. And it looked like lychee too, which is from a Chinese fruit also. But that's what it would look like if it were combined together without cutting it in half. But I'm gonna take this apart. This is my first time tasting this also, but also very high in vitamin C. It is considered a superfood because it is loaded with minerals, trace minerals, essential fatty acids, I mentioned vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids. It's loaded with them all. And what's even really fantastic about it is that, it's the best kept secret out there, Okay, so you can get it real medicine. Let me tell you the tip and secret on how to save money in buying these healthy things. You know, unfortunately, when things become superfood and become healthy, when you go to Whole Foods and places like that, it's so expensive to purchase, and they're charging $8, $9, $10 a pound. Well, I've only paid like $2 a pound for this bad boy right here. And I'm trying to tell you what it tastes like. But it is nicely sweet, high in fiber too. That Boo Boo Patrol goes in and out, and it really breaks it down. I got a little bit of the shell here. Give me a second. I'm gonna try to peel this off a little bit. Okay, it tastes a little bit like, I don't want to say pear. It tastes better than a pear. I'm not a fan of pears, but it tastes even better than a pear with a nice sweet. But it has like a texture, like a perry. Yeah, that's what it is. A perry type of texture to it, but it's much sweeter. Ooh, it's nice and sweet. It's a good sweet. It's like, you know, it's not too sweet. It's just right sweet. Well, it makes sense. Most of it is, when it's natural sweetness, it's going to be not too sweet anyway. It's not chemicalized or processed sugars. That, you know, God just gives us just the right amount we need in order to satisfy a sweet tooth, if those of you who have it. So it's good. Listen, high blood pressure, diabetes, even the C word, cancer. I mean, it's absolutely excellent for that because it's building the immune system. It's cleaning and purifying your blood cells. And wow, it's just amazing how much it reminds me of like to sell everybody. So while it's the best kept secret out there, I'm gonna suggest you get it, and it's spelled Rambutan, Rambutan. Okay, so go get it at your local health food store. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to have some more of these, but let me reiterate the health benefits. Very good, high in fiber, high in vitamin C, high in iron, has some calcium in there. Anything red, you know you're getting a lot of riboflavin principles in this. So absolutely superb. I'm so excited. I'm going to continue to enjoy these for my break the fast. And I will see you next time, sharing with you another wonderful foreign fruit that you need to incorporate into your diet on a daily basis. Stay vegan, stay raw, stay fit. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.